Guess who's back? Back again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just soaking in this vitamin C. I'm in my sweatpants, hair not tied, chilling with no makeup on. That's when I'm the prettiest. I hope that you don't take it wrong. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate y'all. Yeah, we're just gonna get into the video and what the hell I'm here for. I get hella questions asking like, how many locks do I have? Comment down below and just guess how many locks I have. You know, I do want to mention that just because you like somebody's set of locks and you like the amount of locks they have, the amount of locks somebody else has will not look the same on everybody's head. You know what I'm saying? Like, say someone has a bigger head like me, or someone has a smaller head, and also a different density of hair, it's going to look completely different. 50 locks on somebody with thick hair and 50 locks with somebody on thinner hair is gonna look like two different sets of locks. I was also like some of you who are asking me like, how many locks do you have? I want the same amount of locks you have. Like when I first wanted to start my lock journey, I was looking at YouTube videos and I was like, oh wow, okay, so she has this many locks. So I'm gonna have this many locks because I want this certain type of fullness. And if you all have seen my previous lock Q&A video, I'll link it up here in the iCard and also in the description if you want to check it out. I talked about how I started my locks like 4 different times before actually like committing. Yeah, just do your own research before you go and start your own set of locks or have someone start your set of locks. So let's get started in counting my locks. So I'm just gonna hold it because yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. I don't think it's 66 locks. I don't think it's 66 locks. Cause I think I had when I did my instant locks, I believe I had 70, either 70, 71, or 72 locks. From then, I combined 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I combined 4 locks. I'm not sure. I'm gonna count again because that doesn't really make any sense to me. All right, so let's try this one more time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 1 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Now that sounds better, way better. I knew I had like 70 something locks. So I'm like, damn, I know I didn't combine that many locks. Wow, so I have 69 locks. When I first started my lock journey, I was, hold on, I need to crack this window a little bit, it's hot. Hopefully y'all can hear me and the sound isn't really bothering y'all. When I started my lock journey, I was really counting on like having a specific number of locks and having it really mean something to me. 70 something didn't really mean anything to me, but I wanted it to either be an even number. Now it's an odd number, so I feel like this is telling me to, you know, let go and allow things to just flow into place and not necessarily force anything. Hold on, this bus is going by. Don't force anything in life to like happen. Allow it to happen naturally and effortlessly. So now I'm going to look up like the importance of what 69 means for me. It's giving Pisces. Hold up, I just peeped that. It's giving Pisces. You know, Pisces sign is like one fish swimming up, one fish swimming down. 69. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna look into that. And honestly, like, take your number of locks and really like, you know, put your own like thought into it. Like, what does that number mean for you? Like, you don't necessarily have to even look it up, see like, you know, the angel number or whatever. If that number means something to you in a different way, take it and apply it to your locks. I just want to thank you guys for supporting me, liking, and always commenting on my videos. Y'all are the freaking best. I appreciate y'all so much. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of my other videos. And make sure to check out my hair oil line. Please go ahead, click them links in the bio, in the description. And yeah, support me if you want, donate, whatever you want to do. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I love y'all. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Peace.
You say you love me for me. It's hard to believe.